Choosing a tire that's right for you can get a bit tricky since there are some big differences between all-season, all-terrain, and mud-terrain tires. This BF Goodrich TA KM3 tire fits all your Wranglers and is for the Wrangler owner looking for aggressive off-road performance. This tire will be offered in diameters between 27 and 39 inches, fitting any 15, 17, and 18-inch wheel. This KM3 is going to offer a lot of performance to the off-roader looking for a lot of traction for the trail, a tough design, and an overall aggressive look. Looking at tires all across the board, you're usually left with those three categories that I mentioned before. You're going to have an all-season that's really going to stick to mainly the road and on-road performance. You're going to have an all-terrain, which is going to do a really good job at both on and off-road performance. And then you're going to have a mud-terrain tire like this one that's going to not be as on-road friendly for the daily commuting, but will do a really good job off-road. This KM3 will be a great choice for anybody who's looking to do a decent amount of off-roading and is concerned with their traction off-road and is also looking for a tire that's going to get the job done very well. This KM3 is going to fit into that mud-terrain category and is going to be a pretty big step up from its predecessor, the KM2. Starting off with the design of the tire, this is going to have BF's terrain attack tread pattern with large lugs with good space between them, and that's where you're going to get a lot of your performance and a lot of that off-road traction. They're going to be a bit bigger than the traditional all-terrain tire, which will be perfect for that mud terrain, and will have enough space between them for the self-cleaning aspects of this tire. Since the lugs are spaced out a little bit farther, they will be able to fling any dirt or mud out that gets stuck in the lugs, avoiding it from becoming a slick, which is where you get no traction at all. The center tread will have some deep siping, which will be really good for water and ice performance, being able to squeeze out that water from the center of the lugs, creating better traction on the street and even on the trail. On the sides, you can see that the lugs actually have a step, and this is going to provide a lot of extra bite and traction, especially when you air down your tire so it can wrap around obstacles on the trail. The Krawl-Tek material in the tire is also going to be improved and will be a lot stronger than some other options out there with improved chip and cut prevention. This will also have a CoreGuard Max technology that helps keep the sidewall from splitting or puncturing from any obstacles that are out on the trail because of the increased sidewall thickness. Because of the improved compound, this will also have a lot better of a wear life and will wear a lot more evenly like an all-terrain tire or an all-season tire compared to other mud-terrain tires, and it's also going to be a little bit quieter on the road. As far as price goes, it will depend on your tire size that you're getting, but this will have a baseline price of about $200 and can range all the way up to roughly $300 depending on the tire size that you're looking at. This will be a little bit pricier in comparison to some other more cost-effective choices. However, what I can tell you is that if you're looking for a high quality and very functional tire to invest in, then this is going to be a really good choice to consider. This will incorporate a very durable and high-performing design that's good for somebody who's really looking to take advantage of their traction and their performance while they're out on the trail. So that's going to wrap up my review on the BF Goodrich KM3. Make sure you like and subscribe, and for more videos and products like this, always keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.